previously on my basement renovation project, we took things up a notch from the framing that we had done, the insulation that we had done, and we moved to drywall and taping. So my contractor sent these two guys and they were fast. Let me tell you, it took them probably 2 to 2.5 days to get all the drywall done, and I'd say they did a great job. There were some hiccups, of course, which I spoke about in my last video, but some of those were fixed by Michelle, the drywall taper. He was amazing. He was hilarious. He even gave me some little tips to help me get my body in tip-top shape for my wedding. An amazing guy to work with. And by the time he was done, the space was looking amazing. Pretty much what's left to do right now is really the flooring, the painting, and some finishing. So that's kind of where Jeff and I come in, because today's episode is going to be focused on the flooring, which was led by Jeff, and the painting, which let me just say, I got that from my mama because I took on the paintbrush like no other. Anyways, no more long talking. Before we get started, you know the drill. Let's go. Peace. That was not the intention. Jesus, this really not the sturdiest thing out there. So quick confession, I kind of did the first coat of paint without recording. I didn't really think it was going to be something that anyone would like to see, but anyways. We did not get to start in the pantry just yet, nor have we started with the laundry room as well as the stairway. It's a lot of work. So right now we have been working on this room, the main area here as you walk, or the passageway to get into the family area. So that's kind of where we are right now. Given that I was raised by a single mother, I think it's fair to say I would have seen my mother do it all. And so I kind of thought I could do it all. I am by no means a painter. My mother used to try to do her own thing. So that's why I'm saying I got it from my mama, because I'm just trying a thing. Jeff hates painting. I don't mind it. It's just the exercise. Well, I mean, I do need the exercise, but I digress. So I did the painting. I hope you are liking it. I kind of feel like I may eventually change the color, because the color of the walls are so close to the color of the ceiling. So I'm kind of iffy about that. So I'm actually here waiting for Jeff to come back with a cart. I feel like we're gonna order some of these. We'll probably just try one today, like one box today, and play around with it. It's not necessarily matching the existing flooring. So I brought a sample with me to see, and as you can see, it doesn't really match, right? But that's gonna be in the basement, so not a big deal. Oh, just so you know, I actually went to Lowe's the following day and found something that blended much better. This one was the laminate, that one's vinyl, and vinyl works best for the basement, so I ended up switching to that. don't be fooled. Even though it seems as if Jeff was moving really fast, obviously he was not, and it did take us a couple of days to get this done. Jeff didn't do any kind of woodwork or anything like that back in high school, so this was very, very new for him. I even asked him if he wanted to do something like this on the side. Of course, his answer was no, but it wasn't too hard to do. And this only took him a couple of days, and that was like after work in the evenings and in between everything else. So we started off with the biggest room, and that took some time, and then afterwards he got so used to it, everything else was like a breeze. Lots of progress so far. Well, I hope that you have been enjoying this episode, and if you are enjoying the episode, please click that you like the video from now. It helps so much with my algorithm, helps my channel grow, and growth is what we're up to for 2022 and beyond. Now, while Jeff was also working on the flooring, we had to start looking too at some of the finishing pieces, and of course that would entail baseboard molding. So this is me trying to cut a sample to take that home to see how that would work. No, this is it. This is it. But I'm so far. Is it? I'm so far. Woo! Yeah, that looks amazing. And I'm now a seasoned carpenter. This is how things are coming along. This is the pantry. I told you guys this is a big pantry. Nice, big sized pantry. So, pantry, flooring done, painting done. Now, see how everything else is looking. This is the guest room. We're gonna call it that. We'll probably be using it in the meanwhile for working out. So this very spacious area right here, like 3-4 people can be walking side by side in, and then you're right up to the recreational area. It's gonna be like a TV room for the most part. So the couch is already here. TV probably gonna be over there, and here it's likely gonna be like a dining table, but as I said, kind of a little bit more on the, I was gonna say roundish, squarish look, but those are two completely different shapes, right? So a high top breakfast table kind of vibe. Still have not purchased the barn door. I really want to use that barn door concept for right there. It's gonna look so cute, but barn doors are so expensive. The one that I want, to be honest with you, is costing $500 plus tax. So I'm very hesitant about that. So this is what the space is looking like. I am so pleased. By the way, so you notice that you can really pretty much see where the drywall and the flooring meet, which is why we're gonna get these trims thing, what you call it again, baseboard molding, so that it will definitely give it a more finished look. So that's kind of where we are. It's gonna be a part of the finishing of the project. So we're gonna get a bunch of those, get them probably nailed onto the base of the drywall, get the doors in, and yeah, I think that's pretty much all we need. A few little things like here, there's supposed to be this thing I'm supposed to buy for that, and I already bought the vent cover for this, but I think I bought the wrong one, so not quite sure yet. But I am so in love with the space. I'm gonna start using it right away, which means that when we get to some decor and stuff for the place, it's probably gonna be like me kind of revamping what it is, but just so I can use it in the meanwhile. I'm gonna put some workout equipment in there to, you know, get myself ready for the wedding. Gotta get the belly off, and then definitely setting the space up to entertain in the meanwhile. You know, friends may be coming over, so at least we can make use of the space until such time. So this is where we're at. Today, I believe, is June 12th. So I think I'm pretty far along. With this project. Definitely the flooring needs to be finished up there on the landing of the stairway. The entire stairway needs to be finished. The laundry room is coming together. I don't want to show you. The laundry room is looking good. So yeah, this is where we are, and I'm excited. I'm excited. But two other projects, as I said, the stairway and the laundry room to be finished. But I think over here it's just the finishing touches, like the doors and stuff, and the drywall molding on the floor. Yeah, it's almost perfect. And of course this. And another thing before I go is I need to get, I think it's some kind of like a wooden kind of thing, almost like the drywall, not drywall, the baseboard molding thing. Something similar for up there to kind of box it off. But I'm not really stressing myself about that just yet. But yeah, everything else I think is good to go for right now. I'm so excited. So anyways, if you liked this video, please click that you liked it. Please share with a friend. Don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video right here on this channel. Bye guys!